What's up, Alton? So I haven't felt like I could do this in my studio thing. I have to be outdoors, which is, I don't know, it's actually part of everything. But I'll try and run through a quick presentation just because I was feeling it, and fuck it. So there's 4 corners to the pyramid. This whole business is predicated on basically outdoor living, volunteerism, and global change as far as established methods and traditions as far as like habits that people have, going from an indoor, a boxed-in mentality, like, you know, and starting businesses predicated on the back end of giving and global good and doing. So all businesses in this platform We Can world, it's a humongous collaboration that's global that has to do with everyone, you know, collaborating and working towards global causes, and it's more about the cause emphasized than the actual dollars. And trust me, people will play. People play Facebook. They play shit all the time, and when you throw a cause in there, people will play just like Facebook, and there'll be incentives, rewards, payment, Bitcoin, incentives, because things can become valued before they are tasks that are given out, like good things that improve the world. Obviously, governments will pay. There's subsidies for non-profits that come through, and if people take action all the time, it's finding the value, the incentive, the inspiration on the other side of the fence, the pre-money side, for people to take action in life in general and to care about other people and enhance the global economy and good in general. So our main focus is this coin. It's a coin. It's called a Seinfeld coin. LOL, that's a recent name, because it's about the team, the product, and the CEO, which is basically the marketing. So the product team, the CEO team, and then us, we're the bottom end of the triangle. As you can see, bottom end of the triangle is us. We Can AR, Magic World Studios, in essence a movie studio, because we're trying to help people's real life movies come true that are businesses in essence, but they're actually real life. So it's marketing, and it's a movie, and it's a documentary, all at the same time. This is the foundation and fundamentals of the platform, ultimately. And we want the platform to serve as an accountability coach, basically, for people to be able to, in essence, carry out what they would need and want to fulfill. Me personally, so as running of the company, we'll have internal coins and external coins. External coins are what we want the people, the users of the platform, for example, if this was Facebook, the external users to create their own apps, like the App Store, but with a cause on the back end to try to propagate and promote this whole way of living, lifestyle, volunteerism, games around the globe, in essence. And all of them are coins. So what we want to invent that's unique, that's scalable, that's huge, is like AWS2 journalism. AWS is Amazon's web service. We want to do that for journalism and build a humongous global network of journalistic people documenting only the back end of cause-giving businesses. The front end is, you know, obviously the business end, but when you have the business as the back end, it makes a game, it makes a games for change, it makes volunteerism, all come to the back end. And it also, on the front end, doesn't require a lot of money, because the motivation and the energy already exists within a lot of fucking people to take action already in this instance. So the pyramid has the 4 sides, like I said. The top of the pyramid is games for change. That's what everything, all money, internal coins, and money that I'm trying to build and put towards is pointing towards, is this platform on the top, is to propagate and promote all of that energy, like I was just talking about a second ago, at the top. And so the 4 corners are A, easier products to start with, like e-commerce and things like that. I'm going to try and maybe do a brand a day, which is absurdly ambitious, but in my studio I don't know what my time frame will be, so I'm going to try and scale that shit up of my own terms. Anything from art to jewelry to 3D printed items, like jewelry that have a high margin, high turnover, high demand, clothing, etc. Number 2 corner is 3D printed items, cars that are customized as hell, unique to the world, also help people accomplish their games for change in life, which we want to factor into the marketing side of that 3D printing and cars automotive corner of our company. 3 is content development, such as kids interviewing engineers, and things that are, it's basically entrepreneurship, sales, network content scaled, like Shark Tank, That's a big part of our focus. That's the third pillar. And the fourth is real estate. The McDonald's franchise model, to try to take this to the ground and have established real life places and locations around the world like Starbucks, so we can, you know, propagate our message from the ground in essence, and roll with like the McDonald's business model franchise or whatever. Maybe build our little buildings in the corner of existing busy heavily trafficked parking lots with storage containers that we can build up like that McDonald's that I showed you a picture of. That's all I got for right now. We'll talk to you later. Peace.